Cooney's probably what? For a rookie auto on top, $400 or $500 now?
Oh, no, this stuff's a lot cheaper now. Can't stay healthy.
What's up, guys? This is Kyle from Wax Museum, and I am back at the St. Pete show, the, I don't know, Clearwater show, whatever you want to call this, the Tampa Bay card show by the Bay. It's at the Hilton. I haven't been here in a little while, so I'm looking forward to this. Really have no idea what to expect today, especially this time of the year, but I'm going to bring you guys along for the sights and sounds, and I hope you enjoy.
Last one did 132.
Last one what? 95?
Yeah.
Like 250 or something.
Yeah, I'm going on that.
I remember at the old show when we first started.
It's a good one.
Finding the deals?
Maybe. Gary, what's my damage here? $4. All right. Let's see. Four. There you go. Thank you. I appreciate it.
This one was a 6. Where would you feel comfortable valuing that?
Like 30?
That's fine.
I said, I don't feel that.
Or the 30 for 20 things.
All right, so this used to be
The football is really low.
dollar boxes. Now we've got everything's a quarter. A lot of good stuff in here. I should pick up a lot of these Iversons. As you guys know, though, I'm being very picky, but just know there is still a lot of really good opportunities for digging here at shows.
I don't know that I want to do it right now.
Yeah, you like that card, don't you? I do too. It's a cool card.
Actually, 199. 2002 tops. Michael Jordan. 2002 tops. Michael Jordan.
All right, I have to do a video on this one here real quick because I literally made a video about this card last night, and I don't know when it's coming out, but just stay tuned. But anyway, this is not Colby Jones. This is Chris Duarte. So, and that happened a lot in the 2023-24 calendar release. So stay tuned. Like I said, that video is coming sometime soon.
I don't know why. That's so weird.
I paid $3 for it. I know it's up now. Probably not a lot, but should have bought Acuna for 20 or whatever he was back then. It's probably Acuna's probably what?
For rookie out on top, $400 or $500 now.
Yeah, no, it's still a lot cheaper now. Can't stay healthy.
All right, he said this whole tote here for 50 bucks. Do I buy this for 50 bucks? It would be a lot of work to piece this stuff out, and actually this is stuff that would move better at a garage sale. I'm piecing through it. Probably is $50 worth, but not sure if it's worth the work. So for right now, I think I'm gonna pass.
That was an easy drop off. That was an easy drop off.
someone pretty good on here. Put these in right, because I don't want to ruin your case. We've got all these over here, too. I think your little things moved. The little blockers.
Anytime stuff like that drops for no reason, I'm like, I'll buy a little bit. Sure. Because you can buy fractions, you know, so it's like, that's how I do Bitcoin. I don't care what it's at.
Yeah, I've changed my tactics a little bit because since I left education in May.
You know what he's asking on that?
150.
150.
Who's your big, who's 10? 9 or 10? Not bad. Who else did you want for basketball? I'll do 25. It's fine. Best I can do on that. I'm a
Okay, on to the pickups, and this was in my mailbox when I got home, so let's actually start with that. I have no idea what's in here. Like I've said on another video, I've been ordering a lot of little stuff lately. Okay, this is good. This is my first Prism Deca Mojo. These, of course, were not in the original 2012 Prism. One thing I've noticed about a lot of Mojos is there's a lot of print lines. This one looks pretty good, although it's got a huge scratch on the front. Big scratch right there. I don't know. It's hard to see it in the light there, but I mean, that'll be a binder card. So pretty happy with that. That's numbered 9 out of 25. So slowly picking up some of that Deca stuff for the Pacers. All right. As far as what I got today, I spent $50 total, and this was a pretty good digging day. I actually spent a lot longer at this show than I anticipated, and for whatever reason, there were seemed like a lot more boxes of stuff to dig through than there had been previously. I don't know. Maybe it's just some stuff caught my eye that normally wouldn't. These are some freebies from my friend Tyson, who rode with me, so usually he just kind of picks up some stuff as he goes throughout the show. So thank you, Tyson. All right, so I spent $50. Let's take a look here. This first stack, I think I showed it to you in the video. Another one of my friends, Steve, he had all sorts of dollar boxes, and he converted them to quarter boxes. So I like these threads inserts. They're really from all different years. The majority of these, though, I think were from 2012. I'll pick them up, especially at a quarter. I will pick them up for any player. Most of the players in here, not big names at all. Like, I think that's Marquise Teague. Yeah, so it's Jeff Teague's younger brother. There was a Bracy Wright numbered rookie in there, numbered to 50, Indiana guy. I think Terrence Ross here. Yeah, Robert Whaley. So there were several of these SP game used rookies. A couple Lou Williams jersey variations. I think that's Darren Williams. Not the only one of him. we'll see today. Any auto that was in there I grabbed for a quarter. Numbered Rip Hamilton rookie. There's this Ty Lawson. Myers Leonard, I believe. Jaleel Okafor, who's actually on the Indiana Mad Ants right now. Pacers G League team, but his contract does not actually belong to the Pacers. A couple more autographs here. This Dragan Bender, DeAndre Bembry, and yeah, I knew that wasn't going to be Chris Paul, Al-Farouq Aminu. Then we've got the Jimmy Butler. This is a 2020 Flux. It's kind of difficult to tell the difference between the blue and the light blue. This is actually the light blue, which is hard to tell, but the light blues are not numbered, whereas the blues would be. I'm not trying that name. Numbered to 50, and I think that's Thomas Sadaransky. I was going to say, I think that's Nene. It is not. So anyway, all of that for $5. Pretty happy with that. This next stack here was really good. I got all of this for $4. So it started off with 3 2016 Optic checkerboard parallels. Those are pretty tough. So I don't even care the player on those for a quarter. I'm grabbing those. And then this Darren Williams pink, numbered 1/25. I don't see a lot of 2016 Optic when I'm out and about, so that was a fun grab, which it's funny saying that. You'll see another one here shortly. And then these were part of that $4 purchase, a game-worn Carmelo Anthony jersey, a game-worn Rasheed Wallace jersey. That was a great deal. Funny enough, I said, I don't find 2016 Optic. This is in a 50% off box, so $1 for a Rondo red, which is numbered to 99. That's a great deal. Color match there, because that's from his long-forgotten Bulls tenure. These two cards here, I remember Yuta from opening stuff in 2004. His stuff was very popular and sold very well, despite him really not playing. And so Panini brought him back. They've done that with a couple players now, Wong Zizi as well. So this was numbered out of 15. I don't know anything about her, but any of these McDonald's Gold chrome refractors that I've been able to get in the $5 range, I just grab them. So I actually got both of these for $30 combined. I think the Yuta is worth quite a bit more than that. It's not one that I'll be keeping for the PC, so and that's probably one I'll have to move on ComC. So anyway, I spent $30 on those. And then I hesitated on this one. It's a Benjamin Harrison relic numbered 10/10. Now, what is the relic? Oh, that's a great question. There's all sorts of documents pictured here on the back. And I know on some of them you can go to the Super Break website and they'll show you the original document. So my plan with this one is, if I can find that original document and find out if this handwriting is actually from Benjamin Harrison, which I doubt it is, but if it is from him, then I'll probably keep it. If not, then it's off to try to sell it to whatever Benjamin Harrison collectors are out there. So I don't know. For $10, it's like whatever. It's numbered to 10. I think I went to his home when I lived in Indiana. It was one of my field trips growing up. I think it's in Indianapolis. So anyway, a little bit of a tie to that, but I'm not super attached to Benjamin Harrison. So like I said, it was a great show for digging, though. I spent a lot of time there. I enjoyed that one. Didn't know what to expect going in, but had a pretty good time, and I hope you enjoyed that recap, and I hope you enjoyed the sights and sounds as well. So remember, there are new episodes of the audio podcast that come out every Thursday, and as always, thanks for watching.